regards to this cashew conference, I felt it very good because it was a very good platform to interact with different number of people with whom we are not aware of earlier. So this is the place where we got some good contacts which might be very much helpful for the business, and the event was organized very well. I feel very satisfactory with this particular event.
We feel very much happy in being participating in the event, big event, and informative about what the latest updates on machinery development, what are the things have been changed in this cashew industry. We happen to hear all the government side, what are the support they are planning to support us in this promotion of the industry, and it is very much informative.
It was nice to being here in this occasion. It helped us to get some a lot of good informative things around here.
अभी जो ये आइका ने आयोजन किया था कॉन्फ्रेंस का, तो उसका हमें बहुत ही फ़ायदा हुआ है, क्योंकि जो हमें बायर्स और सेलर्स मालूम नहीं थे उनसे भी हमारा जान पहचान हो गया है. हर साल ऐसा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि सभी जगह के लोग एक जगह के मिलते हैं तो पता चलता है क्या कौन से एरिया में क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, वो सबको पता चलता है.
I feel like it was an awesome conference. It was my first time conference. There were so many knowledgeable things and all to gain more knowledge.
Very happy moments at this point of time for the cashew industry as the national body has floated. I think the cashew industry has grown in the last 100 years. We have this history. I think 1925 is a time when the first organized cashew factory came up in Mangalore in Karnataka, and we are now approaching the 100th year of manufacturing next year. So we've come a long way. The industry has grown, the business has grown. Today it's over 30,000 crores, this industry. All of us, most of these processing origins, which were the traditional processing origins, as we say, restricted to the south, now the industry has become pan-India. There are a lot of associations doing excellent work for the individual states, but the business, as we see it growing, it certainly needs a national body to bring out those policy advocacy to the central government, take up those issues and ensure this industry sustains over the next decades, and we become once again the global leaders in this commodity. So I am very happy that ICA has now, this should have happened long back, but they say better late than never. I'm sure with this, we are now moving forward into a new era where we are going to collectively ensure that what needs to be done to take this industry to the next level. How do we see once again we regain our global supremacy in cashew exports? How do you ensure that India sustains this industry by taking our raw seed production to 20 lakh metric tons? These are requiring very concerted effort with the government agencies, state government, and the central government agencies. And I'm sure ICA is just right, poised, for this. Anticipating these requirements, ICA has now been floated, and I'm sure they will do an excellent job moving forward. So I wish ICA all the very best, and I know for sure the cashew industry is looking into a very bright future ahead.